So I go to Dharavi, okay, because somebody says just go for a jog in Dharavi. तो उसको 10,000 रुपए मिले.
But what is the thing of running in Dharavi for 10 grand?
I don't know. It was wet and it was a challenge. Ke run through Dharavi. So I wore my like super like lemon Lulu lemons, not Lulu lemons. And
I don't think Lululemon was there in 10 years back. Anyway.
Yeah, but like, do you not think I could buy it from another country?
Fair.
Just like my.
No, you're a big shot. Go on, get on with it.
So then we run, and then the kids of Dharavi at that point asked me. They said, while I was meeting with them, they said we want to perform in front of Amitabh Bachchan ji.
Oh wow!
So I was like, and then I thought about it for a second, which is such a great radio story because I believe radio is a great medium of connecting. So I said, oh yeah, wait, I suppose I can get it done. I don't know now.
You
By this time, Mr. Bachchan is a fan, okay? Mr. Bachchan has written that girl, he wrote on Twitter at that point that there's this howleracious girl on Red FM. Radio was very big. Yeah, he called me howleracious. We called him to ask him what's the meaning. Lovely, he's still very fond of me. So I said, let's try. So I dropped him a message or I found out his email address. Yeah. By the evening, I had a message saying, of course, please bring the kids and come to, what? To Jalsa? Did we go to Jalsa? Jalsa? हाँ, the पीछे वाला बंगला.
The newer one.
The newer one.
Pratiksha's the older one.
That's it, yeah.
We had done the brokerage.
No, of course we did.
I'm that old. Then?
So then, these kids from Dharavi, we took them there and then there were samosas coming down from the Bachchan household and chips and stuff like that. And everyone's losing their mind कि बच्चन के घर से कौन बना रहा होगा समोसे. All of that is happening. And then Mr. Bachchan comes and these kids with their, with their drums and like rattle shakers, which is made of plastic bottles. They did a whole performance for Mr. Bachchan. And that's when I truly figured I want to say that the purpose of my life, but I truly figured at that point, what an amazing medium this is, right? You get to meet the stars all the time.
Yeah, but you get.
I get.
Somebody else tries the same thing, calls up Mr. Bachchan, there'll be police case.
Which other medium will allow you to take this connection and make it bigger? Yeah. Like I know you, Mr. Bachchan, or I know you, Shah Rukh Khan, and it's happened with Shah Rukh as well.
You're pointing at me and saying Mr. Bachchan. This is sarcasm. you know, his cheapest cycle is more than my fanciest car.
What about height?
वो तो है.
Nah, that's the problem. Nowadays the girls are all about height, I'm telling you.
Yes, in every.
If you're over 6 feet, you don't need a personality.
Voice भी एक चीज है. आवाज भी एक चीज है भाई. जी.
So they performed for him, and my point was that I realized that I have this connection to whoever that is, the Prime Minister, the Chief Minister.
You met the Chief Minister. You met the greatest actor of India. You met everybody.